show you how you can fix your life using this mirror illustration. Let's say I have a stain on my face right now. Imagine I have a black stain on my face. And I go to the mirror, I see the stain, and I try to erase the stain from the mirror. Is it going to go away? No matter how hard I try, is it going to go away? No! That's what you do. When your life is going southward, things are going bad, your life has nothing to show for it, people are progressing, there's nothing to show, you got nothing. You try to fix the reflection. You don't fix the reflection. You fix your face. You fix the inward man. You fix your inward problems. You fix your procrastination problem. You don't fix the outward reflection. You don't fix the outward things. You don't get angry at people. You don't blame your parents. You fix the inward man. You fix the lack of discipline. You fix the too much sleeping. You fix the procrastination. That is how you fix your life. And your lives become better. Your life become better, right? What did I say? Your lives? What did I say? So stop trying to fix the outward mind, the outward reality, the outward reflection. Fix yourself and your life is going to be fixed. Peace and love.